Okay, chat. Now we are checking out Motella, Baleka. Which one? Motella, which one should I do, my dog? Grind set or Baleka, dog? Motella. How do you write Motella? Motella. I'm gonna do Baleka. Okay. Throw away. What do you mean, throw away? Let's go. Let's check it out, though.
Try mixed vapor rub extra strong.
Carando. And cool. Oh. Omni fudum carando. Let's go. Turn me up, Motel. Turn me up, my dog.
Yeah. Baleka. Hey, Baleka. You better run, 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 Baleka. You better.
Chini salapa lendwana. That's dope. Chini salapa lendwana.
Run, Baleka. You better run, Baleka. You better run, Baleka. Ain't no way, just cause you ain't doesn't feel me, I better make a run. Pressure on the bed, by the meal, I'm putting on it, I'm rubbing calm. Demons in my head, but I'm missing, but we really am, maybe somewhere on. Sudden vision to the top, you see that you shine, boy, you kinda done. I was really kinda done. I was really shine down. I was really turning to the ground, really better months, yeah, I almost drowned. Right now, I take ground, I'm thinking, nigga, yeah, I'm moving crowd. Many young wanna let me down, that's another nigga gonna let it down. Yeah, now I write it down. I'm forever up on girls, so messy, I have to tell her, please hold it down. Tell him, little better down. I'm a guana, better take a run. Tell him, little better down. Ay. Baleka.
Who's this cat? Gucci man. Gucci uyawacha amagama, but it sounds so cool when he does it. Uyawacha amagama. So like to actually hear what he's saying if you're not listening, okay, if your ears cannot spread enough, yabo, which is what I'm hearing from Motella. Unala element ka Gucci man where amagama uyawacha, as I guess like could be throw away as well. Kangafune ube yabo ebe senziwe ezininzi, but I fuck with how he does that, yabo, because abanye abantu bayakwazi uyenza leyo ubona why mameleki. You see what I'm saying? I like that Gucci man element in this song, and there's but like vibe yakhe vele. You get what I'm saying? But Lama Sham, that sounds so cool, bruh. Lama Sham, it sounds so cool, bruh. I don't know about the windows, but Lama Sham sounds so cool, bruh. I don't know, because he can actually speak, because after kubaleka ndiyamvuma ukuthi baleka, but on the verse, yabo, kuba mhlawumbe ingoma ke, and there's no way it's because the song is a throwaway. Besenza nje freestyle nje wenza ngesibom and throw it out there, but that shit sounds so cool. That shit sounds so cool. I don't know. For me, I fuck with this.
You better run, Baleka. 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 You better run, Baleka.
Hanzo. It is an Hanzo. So we cannot lip it. Damn, fire, instrumental. for to make a throwaway song on that fire instrumental, awunaindawo egezayo mfana, naindawo egezayo. Otherwise, I like that. I like that. It needs, if you are you need to do it at the highest level. And awudanga, if ever that's your sound, unless it's just this song. But kuzoba nzima abantu baninzi to actually understand what we're trying to do. But I think that thing is so cool. Shout out Motella.